Good day everyone, GarageKing here, and I just bought this Motomaster Eliminator Charger. Now I do have a few other chargers. I have this one, but it's kind of big. This one's even bigger, it's more of a booster. And this one has to connect right to the battery, so it's kind of awkward. So you can see why I wanted to buy this one. I needed something smaller, more compact, and plus for the Corvette, I wanted something that would plug into the lighter socket to charge it, so I wouldn't have to do that awkward connection right to the battery. I could plug right into the socket. So without further ado, let's open up the case and see how it looks inside. Now this charger set on the box, it's 4 amp, 1 amp, suitable for all 12 volt lead acid battery types, including AGM and gel. So I mean, that's good. A whole bunch of mumbo jumbo on here stating basically it's computer controlled, it has reconditioning mode, it won't overcharge, it does all of this fancy kind of high-tech stuff with your battery. So basically it'll really help you out. But the best part, I got it on sale, bought it with my own money. So let's open it up and see what's inside this Eliminator. Let's take a look inside the box. Okay, so first of all, we have some charging leads, and actually they look like they're in really good quality. The rubber seems nice and pliable, seems good. Then we got, let's see, let's open it here, the charger itself, and that's it for the box. Nothing else, except the manual. Okay, so we have these leads, and that's if you want to connect it right to the battery. I guess like sort of hardwired in. And then we have the charger itself. So we're going to try this out on a motorcycle first. But what's most important about this, I wanted to get one for the Corvette, but those Corvette chargers on Amazon, they're like 200 bucks. So I found this on sale at Canadian Tires, 40 something bucks, regular 60 something dollars. So I thought that was a good price to myself, and that's in Canadian dollars. So it'd be even cheaper if you could find it in the US somewhere. Now, if it's even sold in the US, I guess I should say that. But what was really important was to have this connector. So it's a SAE type connector, and what I ordered on Amazon, and before I finish this video, okay, now I'm just talking to myself because I'm gonna have to edit this part out, or maybe not. I ordered a cigarette part that will clip onto here. It'll clip onto here, and then I can charge a Corvette. So it's basically the same thing as a Corvette charger for 1/3 the price, if it works. So that's the big thing. Let's check this on the motorcycle first, see what happens. Okay, so we found ourselves a battery there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna undo, here's our charger itself. So I'll plug that in a minute. But first, what I wanna do is we're gonna undo these leads. Just so I can check it out, make sure it actually works. Because I did order that part on Amazon for the Corvette. So let's undo this. There we go. So now this part is undone. So here's our charging wires. So that's pretty good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna undo this. And then I don't wanna take this off just yet, because what if I have to return it if it doesn't work or I'm not happy with it or something? Might as well, you know, leave it in good condition, I suppose. So let's connect these together. Now where we're connecting these together, this piece here, I ordered a lighter piece. And I don't mean weight, guys. I mean like it plugs into a cigarette lighter, and that's for the Corvette. So that was the whole purpose about buying this thing. So let's connect this to the battery first. So we got our negative on our negative, our positive on our positive. All right, well, that's good. Now we're gonna come over here and plug this thing in, and let's take a look. Okay, so as you can see, I plugged it in. There it is, it's flashing. Follow the extension cord all the way up, and you can see it's just plugged into the wall there, so not a big deal. So now let's try to figure out how this thing actually works. Flashing must mean something. Maybe I should read the manual and see what it means to flash. Anyway, let's go check, see what mode it is. This is a normal battery, so there's normal. AGM, normal, AGM. Okay, so we'll put it on the 1 amp because it's just a small motorcycle battery, and we'll put it on normal, and let's see what it does, if anything. I guess, oh. Okay, so it sensed it. So I guess it's working and it's quiet, and it sensed it. So that's good. So the battery is probably in good shape, not 100% charged up, but it is in good shape. So that's good. So now what I'm going to do is hopefully when I get that Amazon piece, I'll plug it in there and then we'll try it in the vent. Off Amazon, I ordered a cigarette lighter along with a SAE end. So what I can do is just plug them together. There we go, just like so. Now I can plug in the lighter part right here. See the red light is on. And now I'm just going to plug this into the wall. There you can see it is charging, and we have it on 4 amps. I can even trickle it down just to 1 amp normal battery, and it's thinking, it's doing its thinking, and then it should decide where the battery is. Yeah. So there you go. So it's charging it up. So that concludes my review of the Motomaster Eliminator Battery Charger. This thing is more of a battery tender than anything, just because it's only 4 amp or 1 amp setting, so it's quite a low settings. I showed you you can hardwire it in, like on the motorcycle. It's got those eyelets, so you can hardwire it directly to a battery, or it's got sort of the jumper cable claws that you can put in. But for me, it worked great with the Corvette. That was my whole thing. I wanted to hardwire it into the, or not hardwire it, but use the cigarette adapter in the Corvette. So that was my purpose, and it worked great for that. So 2 thumbs up. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. I would appreciate even more if you would subscribe. Other than that, GarageKing over and out. I'll see you on the next one. Any questions? Let me know.